Fukre is an entirely energetic youth film of four Delhi boys who earnestly want to fulfill their hilarity of youthness hurriedly through backdoor. That's why film is hurriedly fast from fade in to fade out. The youth create humor of their natural act to interact with all processes to achieve the target. So high speed is there in the screenplay that twists the things and it propels the incident uniquely. Pumping energy is available in four young boys, but they lack one thing that makes the life beautiful, and that is money, big money, to create their hot sensuousness. Two boys are stuck in school for 2 years and they get bored and want to get rid of boredom of same teachers, same students and same school's ambience of municipal school. Both want to go to the best college of the city where admission takes place at high marks, nearly about 80 to 90%, and they cannot achieve because the examination is around the corner. They both sense that college is the place of enjoyment with hot young girls and freedom plans compared to boring school. They reach the college to meet gatekeeper to solve the problem. He finds a solution to take admission in the college and they have to pay rupees 50,000 per paper because question paper is leaked out. Honey and Chucha have one thing special. Chucha sees fantasy sort of dream and Honey arranges all disjointed elements of fantasy and makes a lottery number. This number gives them money always without fail. Amazing. Lali is a Sardar boy. Lali is the son of sweet dealer of city and he reads in correspondence college. He daily goes to leave her girlfriend at the college gate, but he has apprehension that his girlfriend dates with other guy of the college. Anyway, he wants to get transferred to the same college and he also meets Pandit. Pandit asks for 3,50,000 for college admission through backdoor. Lali meets Pandit through Honey and Chucha. Fourth guy is a musician, plays on guitar, keeps composing the tune, but luck doesn't take him to destination. He loses his girlfriend for his utmost dream of becoming music director and he is Zafar. Zafar has left college but he keeps on making composition in college where his girlfriend Neetu Singh teaches. He is in good book of Pandit. Suddenly his father, who gives him guitar in his hand for pursuing his dream, plunges into paralytic attack and seeks money in lakhs for treatment. The four meet and reach Pandit for asking for address of Bholi Panjaban, who is female dawn and has all ill business from supplying girls to ministers to selling drugs. She doesn't have fear of government officials and police because she has nexus with them. With the help of Pandit, the four young boys present a business proposal, but it is a strange business and Bholi Panjaban is reluctant to invest money in such a fantasy dream business. At last, she convinced with guarantee of Lali's soft paper. She invests, but in morning, Chucha concocts a fantasy dream in fear and estimates them. Honey makes the number, but that number misfires. All are viciously entrapped. Bholi Panjaban paves the way for them to get rid of such maze by selling pills of drug in outskirts of Delhi to further netting them into her net. Lali is irked because he has put his father's shop paper in guarantee. Police reach there in pompous party where young boys and girls are dancing. Lali runs away with pills of drug and reaches his tuition teacher who is in love with Jafar. Jafar also reaches there. The teacher fleshes out all the pills that cost rupees 15 lakhs. Police returns without anything from there. Lali attends the police daily. Chucha dreams and Honey makes the number. Nobody is ready but Neetu Singh manages money. Lali gets money from a drug-infested person who always troubles Lali by stealing his gas cylinder, wheel, petrol tank from his bike. This time the number plays the game at its height and they reach Bholi with 25 lakhs, paying few more money to Bholi Panjaban for pills drug. As soon as she gives a bag of drug to them, police catches her hold. Bholi Panjaban is sent to jail and the four has awesome money to fulfill their dream. Honey and Chucha get admission in same college. Lali gets shop paper and gets transferred to the same college, but he goes with a beautiful hot girl in the college. His previous girlfriend gets stunned and she goes ahead in low mood. Jafar's father is well operated and he regains his lovey-dovey college professor Neetu Singh. The Richa Chadha has performed the role of Holy Punjaban. Her performance is stunning, scintillating. Chucha is none other than debutant artist Varun Sharma. Has created magical performance of a brat student, making fun and laughter with his chiseled dialogues and fantasized confabulation. Honey is Pulkit Samrat. Pulkit is a shortcut Romeo who entices a girl, Priya Anand, through kite interactions on the roof of buildings of Old Delhi. And she comes nearer to him and goes far from him with anger, but again he allures her. In such a love war, Old Delhi's tradition and culture have emerged on the screen, but developed South Delhi doesn't become the part of the story. Outskirt of Delhi is racing in the film. Few flyovers are seen. Lali's gentleman image is performed by Manjot Singh, who looks innocent but his heart is full of romance to interact with his girlfriend, who keeps teaching him. Manjot Singh has done a balancing act. Neetu Singh alias Vishakha Singh starts teaching Lali, Aka Manjot. Vishakha states Manjot that her girlfriend is flirting him only. Manjot Aka Lali takes tuitions and he wrongly thinks that Neetu loves him. Amazing hallucination of such aged boy. Zafar Ali has done serious role and he has two aims. One is to be with Lovi Dovi girl Neetu Singh and another is to get break in music world. Zafar Ali has also delivered his share of role seriously. Pulkit, Vikram, Richa Chadha keep progressing the film to the height of laughter and humor. Song is realistically bumping with hilarity. Director Mrigdeep Singh Lamba has meticulously composed each scene so vibrantly that film goes its logical progression, giving justice to the genre of comedy. So Fukrey is completely an entertainment film. Despite of heavy rain, film has been successful at box office. I earnestly suggest cine lovers to watch out Fukrey over and again.